Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to briefly analyze Ford. First we'll find out its dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. They have a market cap of $60 billion, the current stock price is 15.09 and they operate in the automobile industry. In this graph, we can see that during the last 10 years, the stock price of Ford has been very cyclical and it has actually underperformed the S&P 500 by quite a lot, and that is with dividends reinvested. Now for some financial data. Sales growth is negative -2.1%. Earnings growth is up a lot though, 31.1%. The analysts expect future earnings to be 8.3% annually. The return on capital is a bit low though, only 6.37%, and the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is at 21.5 years. Now for some yield data. Dividend yield at 3.78%. Buyback yield is negative, so they are not buying back any shares. The payout ratio is kind of low, which is nice, 16%. And this has a negative earnings growth of the dividend. And by that, they have not been raising the dividend the last couple of years. All in all, that makes up for 4 out of 10 points, which is a bit mediocre. Let us check the valuation in fast graphs. Here in fast graphs we can see that the earnings is up and down like a roller coaster. The same goes with the dividend, which is the white line. They didn't fare well at all during the last recession, 2008-2009. After the recession they made some money during 2010, but then it declined for a couple of years and then it went up again, and then it pretty much declined all the way back to 2021, where it now picked up again. This is an extremely cyclical stock, and if we, for example, compare to a more stable company like Visa, just to compare the earnings, here is the earnings for a more stable quality company. And also one more example, Amgen, looks like this. But back to Ford, we can still make some short-term prediction, but long-term this is not at least a stock that I would have in my portfolio when the earnings goes up and down like this, same with the dividends. But for now, if we plot the normal PE which the stock is trading at and also the price, we can see that the price tends to follow the earnings. It's up and then it went all down and now it went back up for 2021 earnings. They expect to have a good year 2022, but after that a bit of a fall off. If we project out to late 2024 that it's gonna trade at its normal valuation, we can expect a total annual rate of return of 6.7%. That was it for Ford. If you found this video informative, please boop the like button. See you next time. Hej då!